Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to work on updating the full name and the account name of a user. Alright, so in the previous video I have shown you that how you can update the title, phone number, location and the working status of a user, but that was relevant to the profile. But in this video I'm going to work on updating the full name and the account name that is relevant to the sign up user. So if you take a look at this is the profile directory and this is the user directory. Some of the data that is present inside the user directory is this data like email, password, full name and account name. These are the data that I have not touched and I have not updated it yet. But this data that I have, if I show you, as you can see that this is the data that I have worked on in the previous video, like the title, phone number, location and working status, and this is currently updating. All right. So I need to work on this signup.go file also, in which the data will be updated like the full name and the account name. So in this video I'm going to work on this functionality. But before this I need to make some changes here also, and that is, first of all, what I need to do is to go to the signup.go file and let's first of all add the two flags also in the update.go file. All right, so copy it and paste it here. All right, because when you will update it, you will also you can also use this full name and the account name, because it is also required. All right, so yeah, so let's write update and let's write sign update here. After that, this is also the part of the update. All right, update.go file, and you can also update this full name and account name if you want to, but I will add the functionality in it and I will show you. So let's write update and let's write update here. And let's write update also, because these are the things that I have not written it here in the previous video. So let's write to update, specify an account title to update. So after that, once it is done, what I need to do is to go to the update.go file inside the MySQL directory. So I need to make some changes in the MySQL directory that I can also update the the full name and the account name. So as you can see that in the previous video I have shown you that how you can update the title, phone number, location, working statuses, but they are present in another table like in the profile table. But if you take a look at this is the account name and the full name. This is the account name and the full name. They are present in the sign up table. All right, so if you take a look at this, as you can see that this is the sign up table, and inside this sign up table this is the email, this is the password, this is the full name, this is the account name. So inside this sign up table the full name and the account name is present. So the profile table does not contain these values. So I need to make some changes in this update status functionality instead of this update profile. So I will change this update status first of all and rename it by update user. And I will also change, write some other things like full names, and that will be, after that let's write account names, and yeah. So these are the two things that I also need to update. So now the full name, the account name and the is active, three of them will be updated. All right. So after that, let's give it a status. Instead of writing status, I will write value, and this value will be 3 array string. All right, basically this is the full name, this is the account name, this is active. So there are 3 things that needs to be updated. So instead of writing status, I will write value 0. All right, so value 1 and value 2. So these 3 things will be updated when the email and password will be given to it. Previously the requirement was only the email, but in this sign up table the email and password both are required. All right, so yeah, so after that if you go to the verify.go file, as you can see that this update status is changed. So I will write first of all update user, and now it is giving me error also that there are 3, as you can see, cannot use one untyped string, as there are 3 string values that are present in the argument. So I need to give 3 values instead of writing 1 value. So how can I do this? I will write data, and after that I will write, let's say, 3 string array. All right, so this is how it will work. And after that I will write basically I have not set the full name and the account name. If you take a look at this is the account name, but the full name is not given. So let's take a look at this account name. So if I give the account name let's make the first one empty because the first one is not present. The first one is this one. All right, the first one is the full name. So the full name is not present. If you take a look at this, and I will add it also, I will show you. So the account name is present, but the full name is not present. So let's make the full name empty, and after that let's write the account name. Account name, and after that the next thing is the one. All right, so this one is written just to replace this one. All right, so let's write data here. So basically what it will do, it will update the account name, it will update the verify statement, but it will not update the full name. All right, so this is the problem that will be occurred, and before this I will show you that how it will work before moving further. So let's write go install. All right, so this is the thing that I have updated. So let's go install again. All right, and after that let's write, first of all delete this because I don't need it, because it is already verified. If I show you the proctl verify, if you take a look at this account is already verified, so I need to remove this. So what I need to do is write drop table sign up. All right, so because the sign up table does not require, I will create another. So I will write proctl logout, and once it is logout, I will create another create another account like email, Wainstreet, Gmail, and the password is 1122, and the what you can say full name. So the full name is required here, the first thing. All right, full name and the account name. So let's write the full name. So the full name is going to be, let's say, Wainstreet, and the account name is going to be Wains. So let's press enter on this. Your account is successfully created. Now what I need to do is to verify this. All right, so if I verify this, let's click on the verification. Now let's wait for it. All right, so I need to update it. As you can see that the email address is received here. So what I need to do is to first of all show you that what the data contains. So I will write select from sign up. As you can see that it contains the Wainstreet and it contains the account names. So the account name is Wains, the full name is Wainstreet. But the problem is that if I verify this account, all right, so if I copy this data from here, as you can see, if I copy this data and paste it here, all right, and if I press enter on this, you will see that the full name data will be removed. Why? Because this is set null. All right, because this is set null, and that's why it is updating the user again. So every time the user will verify, the data that will not be present here will be removed. So I need to tackle this problem, and I will show you. But first of all, let me show you that how it will work. So let's write it like this, paste it here, press enter on this. You are successfully verified. But let's say if I press the command here, you will see that your account is already verified. So let me show you that if I execute this command again, as you can see that now this full name is gone from here, but the account name is not gone from here. Why? Because the account name is already given. All right, so as you can see here that the account name is already given here. So that's why it is not giving me it is not removing this account name. Instead it is just removing the full name because it is not written it here. So what I need to do, I need to also give the account name. So how can I do this? So let's go to the asset.go file, and inside this file you can see that this is the email, password and account name is these are saved, but I need to also save the full name. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. All right, so after that let's write the full names, and once it is written, let's remove the error variable name. That will be the new variable name is going to be the insert full name. So let's update it here. All right, and inside this paste the variable here. All right, so now they are done. I also need to update the account name from here. Instead of writing account name, I will write full name, because this is also needs to be present here. So so let's write the full name. All right, so the full name is going to be saved here, and the account name is going to be saved here. So they are set. After that, let's go to the get.go file. So get.go file, I will copy this and paste it here. Alright, so let's write like this, get full name, and let's write the full names. Alright, and after that these are the things that are done. Alright, so let's repeat this string variable array. So I will write it like this, because another thing is also added, so I also need to write it like this, and I also need to give the get full name variable here in the returning statement. So let's write like this, and give the empty string value here also. Alright, so now the error is gone because one value is added here. Alright, so that's how it will work. After that, let's go to the login.go file and the signup.go file. Basically, this signup and login file will add the full name also when you will sign up or when you will log in. Alright, so basically they will add the full name when you will write it here, and after adding it you can then write it in this verified.go file. So I will show you that how it will work, but first of all let's update this. As you can see that it is giving me an error that get credentials contains cannot initialize 4 variables with 5 values. So as you can see that these are the 5 values, 1 2 3 4 5. All right, but here you can see 1 2 3 4. So I need to also give another variable that will be Redis signup full name. All right, full name. So instead of writing here, I will copy it and paste it here, because the full name is going to be at first and the account name is going to be at the end. So this is the full name, this is the account name. Once it is given, I will write it here. So let's write this one. All right, so let's copy this and paste it here, and Redis full name. All right, so let's remove the account name. Instead of writing account name, I will write full name. All right, account full name or account full name. Account full name. Account full name, account email, account password. Similarly, I will also add this here. So let's first of all write sign up full name, because this is the variable that was already written here. All right, sign up full name, but I have not used it here. So I have used it now, but the thing that I also need to update it here, like this one, Redis sign up full name. All right, like this. All right, so now it is done. After that, let's write this one. Let's write name. Instead of writing account name, we will write full name, and after that let's write account full name. So they are basically setting the account full name and in the login.go file and in the signup.go file. All right, so in both of the files, when the user will sign up or when the user will log in, they will set the full name, and after that, once it is set, I can get this full name here, and after that I can use it here. So now if I use it this full name, it will not be gone from here. All right, so it will be present. So let's write it like this. First of all, like this account, and like here. All right, account full name. All right, and let's remove this account, and I will write full name, account full name, like this. All right, so this is how it will done, and after that I need to update it here. So where is this? Yeah, account full name. All right, so now the account full name, the account name, and the one status will be updated instead of removing it from here. So let's save it. Save it here. So let's write proctl, go install, and I also need to remove this data, because this time I need to again sign up in order to verify, because you cannot verify multiple times. So that's the option that I have given, so you can verify just once. So that's why I have deleted this data. So I will sign up again. So let's sign up. Where is the sign up command? This one. So but before this, I will remove this because I don't need it. let's execute this command. Alright, so first you need to log out. Alright, so I need to log out. After that, let's write go install and sign up. You have successfully created an account. If you take a look at this, you can see that this is the new thing, and this is showing me that the 0 value is present here. Alright, so after that, when I will update it, when I will verify this, you will see that this will be changed from 0 to 1, and these things will also be present because they are not deleted now from here. Alright, so if I set this equal to empty strings, then they will be deleted from it. Alright, so let's write proctl verify, and now let's wait for it. Alright, so let's wait for it here. Now the email is received. Copy this email, copy this data. Once it is copied, let's paste it here. And now if I take a look at this, you can see that this is the data that is changed from 0 to 1, and the veins and the veins tree, these are the data that is present here. So they are updated. Alright, so they are updated from the account from the Redis database that I have gotten here. Alright, so that's how it will work. So now the next thing is going to be working on the update profile here that I have set it here like this one, because I have just worked on updating this and updating this verification, but I have not worked on updating this full name and account name. So let's say if I want to update this full name or account name, then how can I make it work? So in the upcoming video, I will show you that how you can update this full name and account name in this update.go file. Alright, so basically I don't want to make this video too long. This was the problem that was causing before updating this account name and full name. So this is the problem that I have tackled first of all, and after once it is tackled, I can use this functionality and update it easily in the upcoming video. Alright, so that's how. After that, let's write git status, and as you can see that these are the changes that I have made in this file, these files. So as you can see, so let's close it and write git add, and then git commit m, and what you can say, updating, working on the updating, started working, let's say started working on the update user profile, starting update user. All right, so let's press enter on this. Now you can see that all the changes are added. If I write git status, you will see that branches are merged. So sorry, there is no commit, the tree is clean, so I will write git push origin master. Alright, so let's wait for it. Now if I take a look at this, refresh, go to the repositories, and as you can see that this is updated now, proctl. Alright, so as you can see here, so this is the 19th commit that I have added here, started working on the update user. Alright, so these are the changes that I have made it. So if I show you, go to the where you can see, yeah, profile, update. So these are some of the changes that I have added here, like this one, or what you can see here, yeah, this one. Alright, so these are some of the changes that I have added, but I'm not going to take a look at each one of the files. So yeah, but the thing is that it is successfully done. So yeah, so I hope you will understand this video. So I hope you like this video, and if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.